Welcome to Savani News channel. I am Khushi from class 8. I am your host and feel excited to bring you today's news update. Our school recently hosted a successful parents-teacher meeting (PTM) on 22nd Feb 2025. And on this day, the teachers of pre-primary and the students from grade 4 to 9 organized PPSS Carnival, the interactive learning exhibition. This grand showcase brought together creativity, innovations, and hands-on learning. From the exciting jungle safari and melodious work game to lively PPSS farm and interactive English exhibits, our students put up a fantastic display of knowledge and imaginations. This exhibition was a perfect platform where the students applied the concepts from the book to real world experience, making learning fun, practical, and engaging. It wasn't about just subject; it's about the thinking, exploring, and innovating. The science and maths exhibition stole the show. The young minds from grade 4 to 9 amazed the visitors with innovating science models, experiments, and mathematics. The enthusiasm was contagious as the students cracked the puzzle and exploring fascinating concepts. And let's not forget about delicious food stall run entirely by the students, and they served everything from crispy pani puri to healthy sprout chaat. The perfect blend of fun and learning. This PPSS Carnival is more than events. It's celebration of holistic education and community engagement. We look forward to such more initiatives. That's all for today's update. See you soon with more such updates. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do take good care. Stay tuned. Jai Hind.